Kırgızistan'ım, Kırgızistan'ım.
Funny how shit happened to a good father, but he gon' make it through. He got a good lawyer. Elevated pressure for these rappers when they try to measure up to a nigga's stature. But that's when a nigga say that he don't rap. Answer this, why you talking all that crap? Why you talking all that? Keen in the cow. You giving yourself more reasons to fail on my 90s kids. Well, excuse my French when I rap a little different. Not to mention the tension back in school when a nigga used to mess up. Never wanna fess up. Now people telling me that I need to shape up like no makeup. Can cover your face up when I drop this bomb on your head. I swear that's on my dead grandmother who just passed. I hope she's flying high her pad. This shit has got me ticked off, plus pissed off, now that's rash. Mentality to make a masterpiece is what these niggas lack. I got my CD on my back like a backpack with 1 million straps. That means I'm never letting go. Can't talk about this Super Bowl status. I'm passing any cop that's in my way. It could end up tragic for them, like Celtics with magic on them. Never felt this much passion for jams, and I'm putting in the airways for everybody who ever give a fuck about a nigga mixtape. Shout out my auntie, my Kia. She always need a mixtape. I got it when I re-up. That good vibes mix. Why you so silent? New flow, bro. Never had about this. Thought that I should try
Okay,
it.
first off, free Slayer. Second off, free tweeted. Third, let's free the minds of the beings. That's not free thinking. I gotta stay in my positive knowledge. Still dropping G shit. Niggas ain't with the basics. They basically just a remix. Unoriginal fillers to fill up spots. Ready to fill up blocks, but won't even lick a shot. Turn like a Phillips. When tighten the screw unlocks, and I seen your mental stop when y'all took that dental out. You know you got into that drill shit, real quick. Fearless, Steel Smith, Men in Black. Now we Will Smith. It's funny cause I live life now. I hit the kill switch, so get the fuck up off of my Disney. No slick mix. I jumped all on this shit like cool. I'm a whip shit, and I spit what's on top of a candle that gets lit. Plus I'm a spitter, like I literally spit. APG hustlers get rich quick, click, still my.
One time for my brothers, one time for my sisters. If you a real nigga, you know that I'm fucking with you. With a finger to the county, with a finger to the judge, with a finger to you and whoever the fuck you are. Hard work and dedication. Look at their fucking faces when I pull up in this spaceship, smoking on Jamaican. Working on you niggas like a doctor to a patient. It's a storm going outside. Everybody's staying. Watch Tigger in the basement with a bag of rap snacks. Now I'm on track. Salute the team backpack. You walk through the streets. Smack DVD. Grind time, flight club, must see TV. I throw tension on these verses. Put the beat in the hearses. Press record, homie. I know.
Kırgızistan.